Alright, more tutorials on the tapping. This time we're just going to keep it on one string. We're going to go on the 5th, and this is the 8th and the 12th, and we're just going to keep that pattern right there in the beginning, and we're just going to move it down to 13, 6th, and 9. So to start off, you're going to go, then you're going to move it down, okay, and you want to control the sound of the strings again with the palm of your hand like this, so you're just holding down. So this is the thing that you don't see, is how I'm trying to control all the other strings from ringing out, including some of the notes that might want to ring out when I'm doing the tapping. So essentially, okay. Ooh. See, sometimes you might accidentally hit these strings. That's why you got to practice those riffs, because you want to try to maintain that control on that string. Alright, hope you enjoy it. If you want the tablatures for that, I can provide those for you. Let me know if you enjoy that, and please check out the channel. Check out some of the other tutorials, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll have more videos like this coming up very soon. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you enjoyed that, then you'll definitely want to